fuck. Figured that'd just be a more easier way to get it out.
Yeah. That's more simple.
How you like this?
And on everything, you better give me my money. Nigga, ain't nothing for free in this motherfucker.
The moment you get paid, nigga, I need my yip. But until then, yep.
You not fast enough. You're not fast.
I don't even gotta move the motherfucking frame. You still in it.
You're not fast enough.
Yeah, I don't have to be. You thought you was out of the frame.
And I give up.
Living on our own is more
The newest YouTube sensation, ladies and gentlemen.
On my shoulder and my bra is down. Hold on.
This nigga caring about the shoulder and the bra. But I'm a burp nigga.
But
I'm gonna get this fuck.
hold on, let me show you something.
You said it.
Let me show you what it is.
I did not say that.
You said I ain't gonna fart, so I'm
That's
gonna
what I
burp.
did.
Nigga, so you gonna get the fart out. Pretty much, you got it all. I figured that shit out a long time ago.
I can't wait till we edit it.
What's the right now?
This nigga gonna burn 487,000 times.
Does anybody else want to challenge the burp queen in the room?
Look at that.
Raven.
Hold on, but she's holding on to her Burger King cup.
It's cracking.
Ice cream or milk.
What? Nigga, it's definitely cracking.
Do a commercial now. You got the Burger King cup in your hand. Do a commercial.
Shout out to Burger King.
I'm the Burger King.
If I dip a cookie and just eat the cookie with the milk, my shit is fucked up. You
All
feel
the
me?
way.
I'm just all day long
I'm
like.
airing this motherfucker.
Yeah, but like I can do cheese, sour cream, you know, shit like that. But when it comes down to the milk and the ice cream, my shit is fucked over. Like you'll literally hear my stomach like, rawr. My shit be.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm
Out of
saying.
my house because I had a bowl of cereal, and I can just eat the cereal and don't drink the milk. You feel me? I just gotta have one drop of it and it's all over. Man, I'm fuck with that shit.
I'm gonna lock up all the fucking
I
cows
gotta
then.
eat dry.
You gonna say the fuck words, motherfucker?
His facial expressions is shit.
You're like a Spice Girl. Stop making faces like that.
I knew it was coming. I knew it was coming. It was just a matter of time, y'all.
Can I please see that, please? That's funny as fuck.